We have discussed about the mixtures as well as compounds both. Now we know what are mixtures, what are compounds. In the compounds, two elements mix in a fixed proportion, but in a mixture, two elements or two substances do not fix in a fixed proportion. They get simply mixed together, whether one substance is in a higher amount or other is in a less amount. Now we study the properties of mixture of iron and sulfur. It is a very simple experiment. Take a china dish, put it in a mixture of iron filling and a sulfur powder. Now bring a bar magnet near a china dish. We will see that all the iron fillings get linked to the bar magnet. It means in a mixture the individual substances show their properties, because we know that iron get attracted towards the magnet, so it will cling to the magnet, but sulfur powder will remain in a china dish. This is how we can separate the mixture of iron and sulfur. They can be separated by the physical method by bringing a bar magnet. Mixture of iron and sulfur powder can also be separated by putting the carbon disulfide in a mixture, then a sulfur dissolve in it. If we put the carbon disulfide in a mixture of the iron and sulfur, then the sulfur dissolves in a carbon disulfide and we do the process of a filtration. The iron filling will remain on the filter paper, and in a beaker we left with a solution of carbon disulfide and a sulfur. So by evaporating the carbon disulfide, when we evaporate the carbon disulfide, we left with the sulfur. So this is how we can separate. It means all these experiments will show us that iron fillings and a sulfur powder both can be separated from one another either by a bar magnet or by putting a carbon disulfide in it. Clear?